In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the TCL Android TV voice control. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to use the voice control on your TCL Android TV, you're just going to simply grab your remote here, as you can see, and you're going to find this symbol right here, this voice symbol, and then just click on it. And you need to now, to be able to use it, you need to click and hold and then speak exactly what you want, what you wanted to search for. So I'm just going to click and say, give me the best Netflix series of 2025. And then I'm going to let it go. And it's going to give me some, it's going to give me some suggestions here, as you can see. And we can also, by the way, go back here, and you can also use this one where it says search for apps and games. And if you click on OK here, I'm going to say like this. I'm going to hold the voice control here. Search for the best game of 2024. And then release, of course. And you will get a couple of options in here, as you can see. And yeah, basically that is how you can actually use the voice control. I believe it's pretty cool, and hopefully you will be able to actually use it as well on your TV.